Kenya government probe two Nigerian financial tech tycoons and N128 Nehicare over suspicious transfer of N128 billion naira from Nigeria. Two Nigerian fintech tycoons, Egosesere Nehicare and Bukunmi Olufemi N128, and another Nigerian, are under probe in Kenya for a string of suspicious transfers of $221 million equivalent to 128 billion naira. In local currency, the money is worth Kenya 25 billion shillings. Nehicare is the founder of BoltPay, while N128 is the founder of Multigate Limited. Interpol seeks to unravel the puzzle of 25 billion shillings laundered from Nigeria, Kenya's Nation newspaper reports. Investigations reveal that money was wired into Kenya from Nigeria between October and November 2020. For more than 2 months, Kenyan authorities have been investigating the string of cash transfers from Nigeria without realizing that they may hold the key to unlocking the whereabouts of 20 billion shillings at the center of local and international suspected money laundering rings. A source privy to the matter has since confidentially disclosed that 3 Nigerians suspected to enjoy the backing of a powerful Kenyan politician and 2 Kenyans wired the cash in US dollars and euros to Kenyan banks through multiple companies registered locally with shared ownership and suspect addresses. Court papers indicate that the Assets Recovery Agency ARA, which is investigating 3 companies over 5.6 billion shillings, a quarter of the actual amount that entered Kenya, does not know the magnitude of its probe. On April 5, ARA obtained court orders freezing 5.6 billion shillings in 6 bank accounts, but its investigators are unaware that the network of firms and individuals had moved another 20 billion shillings through local lenders in 1 month in 2020. An ARA officer on Tuesday confirmed that the agency was only aware of the 5.6 billion shillings frozen. It has no details of an Interpol investigation first revealed by Business Daily. The local daily on Tuesday revealed that a network of 6 firms, OIT Africa, Avalon Offshore Logistics, REMX Capital Limited, REMX Limited, REMX Investment Partners, and Multigate Limited, moved 25.6 billion shillings from Nigeria to Kenya before wiring some of the funds to countries in Europe and Asia. Despite confirming that ARA has yet to interrogate shareholders of the companies, the officer insisted that its investigations are ongoing and could see some of the suspects charged with money laundering and other economic crimes. The source of the funds has puzzled local and international sleuths, who are trying to find the origin. The Nation established that Interpol's investigation hit a brick wall, as it would need to cooperate with Kenyan and Nigerian authorities to determine when, how and why 25.6 billion shillings was moved between the 2 countries. The information sought by Interpol would require obtaining bank statements of all accounts where the suspect loot was stashed or moved from. AIA's lack of knowledge of the actual amount moved to Kenya in 2020 indicates that there is no cooperation with the agency and Interpol. Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, Boss George Kinoti did not respond to queries on whether his agency was investigating the suspected money laundering racket. 2 Nigerian financial technology tycoons with a history of using tax havens to avoid taxes are at the center of investigations by ARA and Interpol. BoltPay founder Egosesere Nehicare and Multigate Limited founder Bukunmi Olufemi N128 could have started the global movement of billions from Lagos. Ownership documents from the company's registry in Kenya show. Mr. Neheke is a graduate of the University of Oxford in the UK and is the CEO of Multigate Limited, while Mr. Demuren earned a chemical engineering degree from Cooper Union University in the US. Mr. Demuren is the board chairman of Multigate Limited. Multigate and REMX are among companies registered in Kenya, Dubai and Nigeria, and which are at the heart of the money transfers. So far, Kenyan authorities have traced and frozen 5.6 billion shillings, pending conclusion of the investigations. The money is in 6 bank accounts owned by 3 companies. However, investigators have so far frozen accounts of 3 firms: Avalon Offshore Logistics Limited, Oit Africa Limited, and REMX Capital Limited. They are the owners of the accounts deposited with the money. 2 bank accounts of Avalon Offshore Logistics Limited held at Equity Bank are holding $374,630 equivalent to 43,408,490 shillings and €3,824.66 equivalent to 472,809 shillings, suspected to be proceeds of crime. OIT Africa's 3 bank accounts held at Equity and United Bank for Africa UBA are holding a total of $41,715,444 equivalent to 4,833,568,496 shillings, while Remix's account at UBA is holding $6,648,838 equivalent to 770,400,859 shillings. ARA, in court papers, claims the money was wired to 6 accounts held at Equity Bank and United Bank of Africa UBA. Through Principal State Counsel Mohamed Adow, the agency says the amounts were a culmination of suspicious credits from various suspicious sources and conducted suspicious transfers and withdrawals. ARA says that on February 11th, it received information on suspected money laundering schemes and acquisition of proceeds of crime involving multiple cash transactions conducted through the bank accounts of the 3 companies. The money was from a foreign country, and the source has no legitimate explanation involving the companies and their agents. The companies are suspected to be part of a syndicate involved in a complex money laundering scheme involving themselves and foreign nationals. The bank accounts of the companies are used as a conduit for complex money laundering, says ARA. The Preservation Order Justice Estimena issued bars the 3 firms, their employees, agents, servants or any other persons acting on their behalf from transacting, withdrawing, transferring, or dealing in any manner howsoever with any profits or benefits derived or accrued from the funds. A search at the Registrar of Companies revealed that REMX Capital directors are John Kiselu Kamusina and Eveline Wawira Gachoki. Avalon Offshore directors are Nigerians Jeffrey Naoma Michaels and Uduma Okoro Christopher Kalu. OIT Africa directors are Viona Aketh Odango and Kenneth Odango Raminya. Multigate Limited directors are Oluwabunmi Akinbanjo Akiniemaju, Neheke Egosesari, and Demuren Olufemi Olukunmi. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe. Thanks.